Today we are making a pop-up card. We're putting our quills to paper to construct the official invitation to the Butterfly Ball Freebie, a pop-up masterpiece that holds more than just a date for the dance. Welcome back to Rosewood Manor Prints. I'm Sarah. Every grand debutante knows that her entrance into the ton begins with a single piece of parchment, but ours is no ordinary summons. As we assemble this delicate pop-up card, we aren't just folding paper, we are creating a clandestine vessel for secrets. It is an invitation meant only for those with a discerning eye to uncover its hidden depth. And today, I shall show you exactly how to manipulate the cardstock and butterflies to make the magic rise from the page. This freebie is from the Butterfly Ball collection, and it comes with the following pages. You have your first page, which is the outer cover. Then you have the inner page, the inside of the card, and then it comes also with these beautiful butterfly fuzzy cuts. This freebie also comes with a page of the parchment paper look, so if you want to use these fuzzy cuts outside of your pop-up card, you can back them with this paper. So the first step is to print out the pages from your freebie. I went ahead and I cut out the pieces of all of the pages. To ink the edges, I like to use the June 6 ink. So it is the color Purple Hydrangea LD18. This is the ink that I have used to ink the edges because they really match the color very nicely. Next, we want to join these two pieces together so we have our card. And I'm using a simple Burley Art glue. And then we'll simply put them on top of each other. And I recommend to let this dry before folding it. So we'll put that aside. So before we can turn this into our magical pop-up card, we need to create our 3D butterfly. And so I will show you now how to create this beautiful 3D butterfly that pops up when you open the card. So this is going to be very beautiful, and it is actually easier than you think. So as you have cut out your 4 pieces, you want to fold your butterflies. And you want to fold the butterflies together like so that the white is on the outside and the butterfly is on the inside. And you want to make sure that the wings are matching as closely as possible. And then make sure to crease it. And you want to repeat this for all the other butterflies. But the wings are really the most important part, that the wings really line up. So make sure to line them up as good as you can. There's nothing a little ink can't fix, okay, if you are not absolutely perfect. So now you have 4 folded butterflies. And now we want to glue them together. You take your first butterfly, and we are going to put glue only on this side. So when you look at your card, this butterfly is going to sit like this. So we want to glue only this piece first. it's helpful when you hold it with the tweezers like so. So then you take the next butterfly and you simply take this side of the butterfly, only half, and glue it to this piece here. And now you want to make sure to match up the wings. That's our mantra for this project. Always match up the wings. Match the wings. Here we go. So that is the second piece. And now we are gluing the next piece, like so. Take this side again and glue this on and match up the wings, match them up. So don't worry if when you cut them out that it's not absolutely perfect. Like I said, a little bit of ink can fix it so you don't see it. Then we'll move on to the last piece, only the left side. And when we put the last piece on and match up the wings. And you can fold it together like so. And here is your 3D butterfly. How beautiful. Oh, now this card should be dry enough, and so it's time to fold this card. I'm going to fold it over like so. Make sure to put a nice crease. And so for gluing it into the card, I like to go over the edges and address any edges that maybe I didn't cut them out completely perfectly, which can happen. You can even go back with your scissors if you'd rather want to do that. But I find that inking is actually just good. Inking is just well enough. So make sure everything is glued on nicely. Now we're attaching the butterfly to the center of the card. And this time now we can put glue on both wings. And to stick it on, I like to take the center wings here is our card. So you want to crease this again to make sure it's all lined up properly. So you can use this card as it is, like this, without anything. I like to put a little ribbon here on this card. Make a hole here. And then I simply thread a nice ribbon through here. And cut the ribbon. You can just imagine the guests dangling this invitation as they carry it. You can carry it like so to the ball. If these designs have captured your heart, the Butterfly Ball collection awaits you in our Etsy boutique. Details are listed below. Or if you are viewing this on your parlor screens or television, Let this QR code be your magic key. Simply aim your camera and click. The boutique doors are always open for you. With our invitations properly addressed and our ribbons tied, we are finally ready to begin our journey. You must join me back here at the Manor this coming Friday, for we shall begin the assembly of our very first signature, traveling to the ball. We shall pack our trunks, prepare our carriages, and set off on a moonlit path through the wisteria-draped gates. Until then, I remain yours in lace and ribbons and with much love, Asara. Good day.